In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal invoice number. This process is straightforward, and it ensures your invoices reflect the correct numbering system that suits your business needs. By personalizing your invoice numbers, you can keep better track of your transactions. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type in PayPal, you will see the official PayPal website appear in the search results. It is crucial to click on the official link to ensure you are accessing the correct site. This step is important because it keeps your account secure and prevents you from falling for phishing attempts. Once you find the PayPal link, click on it to proceed. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. After reaching the PayPal homepage, look for the login option, usually located in the upper right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. This additional security step is vital for protecting your financial information. Once logged in, you are ready to move on. Now click Send and Request. This option is typically found on the main dashboard after you log in. Clicking it will take you to a new page where you can manage your transactions, including sending invoices. This is an essential step because it directs you to the right section where you can create and modify invoices. Look for a button or link that says Send and Request and click on it. After that, click Send an Invoice. You will see this option on the Send and Request page. By selecting this option, you will initiate the process of creating a new invoice. This is important as it allows you to customize the invoice according to your preferences. Once you click on Send an Invoice, you will be directed to a template where you can fill in the necessary details. Now click Create New. You will find this option on the Invoice Creation page. Once you choose to create a new invoice, locate the invoice number field. It is typically positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the creation template. Identifying this field correctly is crucial because it is where you will enter your custom invoice number. Taking note of its location saves you time later in the process. Next, click inside the number field box, delete the auto-generated number, and type in your new custom alphanumeric sequence. This is where you can personalize your invoice number according to your business's numbering system. Keeping a consistent format helps in tracking invoices more efficiently. After entering your new number, ensure there are no errors, as this will be the reference number for this transaction. Finally, fill in the customer details and item costs, then hit Send. Complete all the necessary fields required for the invoice, including the customer's name, email, and the details of the items or services you are billing for. Once everything is complete and correct, clicking Send will deliver the invoice to your customer. This final step ensures your changes are saved and that your customer receives an accurate invoice with the new number. Following these steps will allow you to change your PayPal invoice number easily. It enhances your invoicing process and keeps your records organized. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your invoicing.